Meaning of health center.
Health center.
Health center.
Health center.
Health center. A health center is a facility that provides medical care and treatment to individuals. These facilities can range from small clinics to large hospitals and typically offer a wide range of services, including preventative care, diagnostic testing, and treatment for acute and chronic illnesses. Health centers may also provide specialized services such as dental and mental health care. They aim to improve the physical and mental well-being of patients and promote overall health. Health centers are often an essential resource for communities and play a crucial role in maintaining public health.